Hi friends, today I am here with a new video. Before that, let me start with a motivation. It is to be a winner in life, we must first be a winner inside. So let us see, I am here taking a topic in quantitative aptitude, that is calendar. So let us see what is in calendar. Before that, I will request you all to subscribe my channel for more videos that I am going to post. So details, and please like, share and subscribe for supporting me and for adding new videos. So let us see the important facts and the formula in calendar that we can use. Let us see. That is, we are supposed to find the day of the week on a given date. Mostly calendar problems, the questions will be like this. So what all things should be taken care of? So we use the concept of odd days. So what is odd day? In a given period, the number of days more than the complete weeks are called the odd days. We will see in detail how the odd days are being calculated, how we take and let us see in detail. Now we go to the next one, the leap year. That is, every year divisible by 4 is a leap year, that most of us know. And if it is not a century, every 4th century is a leap year and no other century is a leap year. A leap year has 366 days, and the year which is not a leap year is called ordinary year, and ordinary year has 365 days. These are known facts. So let us go. So counting of odd days, how to count odd days. So ordinary year has 365 days, and by calculation we are getting for 365 days is 52 weeks plus 1 day. So odd day is 1 day. Similarly, for a leap year there is 366 days. So 366 days, if it is divided by 7, we can see 52 weeks and 2 days. And let us see for 100 years. For 100 years, we have to divide by 4. Then we will get as 24 leap and 76 ordinary years. So we know for ordinary year we will be taking only 1 odd day, and for leap years we know it is 2 odd days. So 76 into 1 plus 24 into 2 is the odd days for 100 years. It comes 124 odd days. Again it has to be divided by 7. If we divide by 7, we can see it will be 17 weeks and 5 odd days. The remainder comes as 5, that is odd days. So we will go one by one. That is, number of odd days in 100 years is 5 odd days, that we have calculated now. And for 200 years it will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So 10 divided by 7, we will get the remainder as 3. That is why 3 odd days. And we go for the next 300 years. For 300 years we will be taking 5 into 3, that is 15 by 7. We will get 1 as the remainder, so 1 is the odd day. So number of days in 400 years, that is 5 into 4 plus 1. We will get as 21 odd days. 21 odd days is divisible by 7. We will get the remainder as 0, so 0 odd day. So similarly for 800 days, 1200 years, 800 years, 1200 years, 1600 years, 2000 years, there will be 0 odd day. That is 400 years, it is a multiple of 400 years. Hope till here it is clear. So we will go to the next. So day of the week related to odd days. That is, to find the problems for calendar will be finding the day. That is, day, month and year will be given in the problem, and to find the day it comes. So to find it, we need to find the odd day. If we find the odd day, which day we need to take, that you can see from here. If the number of days comes as 0, number of odd days comes as 0, Sunday. If it is 1, Monday. If it is 2, Tuesday. 3, Wednesday. 4, Thursday. 5, Friday. 6 is Saturday. So going to a problem, we will see one problem. So as I said, question will be like this: what was the day of the week on 16 July 1776? So let us solve this problem and see which day this comes. There is counting of odd days. So number of odd days in 1600 years, we know it is 0. So number of odd days in 100 years, that is 5. So 1600 plus 100 comes 1700. So 1700 we got it. Now more 75 years more we need. For 75 years we need to divide by 4. Then we will get as 18 leap years and the remaining 57 as ordinary years. So we have 18 leap years. So to calculate the odd day, we will be doing 18 into 2 plus 57 into 1. It comes 93 odd days. We can't take as 93. So 93 divided by 7 again. So we will be getting 13 as quotient, 2 as remainder. So 2 is the odd day. So for the year 1775 years, we will be having, when we calculate the odd days, we need to take a 0, that is 1600 years number of odd days is 0. For 100 years it is 5, and we calculated for the 75 years. 75 years, so it comes to 2 odd days. So 0 plus 5 plus 2 odd days, that comes 7 odd days. So 1775 years is 7 odd days is 0 odd day, that is 7 divided by 7, we are doing like that. So we will be getting 0 odd day. So we will keep it aside. We need to find that 16th July 1776. Which day is it? So 1776, and I divided it by 4. So I get the remainder as a 0. So it is a leap year. And the year 1776, let us see each month. Since it is a leap year, February has 29 days. So January 31 days, February 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30 and July 16. That is the day we need. So how to calculate? So from January to July it comes total 198 days. This 198 days we need to divide by 7. So you will get 28 weeks and 2 days. So 2 is the odd day. We have already seen 1775. It has a 0 odd day. So total number of odd days, that is 0 plus 2 days. It comes 2 odd days. So we have already discussed, that is number of days. If it comes like this and we are getting the number of odd days as 2, so it comes as Tuesday. So our answer is Tuesday. Hope you liked my content. Please subscribe, like and comment on this. I will be back with more videos. Thanks for all the support and good day.